What if I told you that you could create your own cryptocurrency with just a few $100s? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In fact, anyone can create their own digital currency and launch it to the world. But there's a catch. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, and the amount of money you need to start one depends on many factors, such as the type, the quality, the legality, and the marketing of your project. In today's video, we're going to answer one of the most common questions we get from our viewers. How much money do I need to start a cryptocurrency? Whether you're a hobbyist, a developer, or an entrepreneur, you might have wondered what it takes to create your own digital currency and make it successful. Well, wonder no more. We're going to break it down for you and show you the different options and costs involved in starting a cryptocurrency project. There are two main types of cryptocurrencies: coins and tokens. Coins are cryptocurrencies that have their own blockchain, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Tokens are cryptocurrencies that run on top of an existing blockchain, such as ERC20 tokens on Ethereum, TRC10 tokens on Tron, or BEP20 tokens on Binance Smart Chain. So how much money do you need to start a cryptocurrency, whether it's a coin or a token? Well, let's find out. Option number 1. Create a simple token on Ethereum. The easiest and cheapest way to create a cryptocurrency is to create a simple token on Ethereum, using a standard template and a token creation platform. Ethereum is the most popular and widely used blockchain platform for creating and hosting smart contracts and tokens. A smart contract is a piece of code that executes automatically when certain conditions are met. A token is a smart contract that represents a unit of value or utility on the blockchain. To create a simple token on Ethereum, you don't need to have any coding skills or technical knowledge. You just need to use a token creation platform, such as Tokenment, which allows you to create your own token without coding. You just need to fill in some basic information, such as the name, symbol, supply, and distribution of your token, and pay a small fee to the platform and to the Ethereum network. The fee depends on the current demand and congestion on the network, but it usually ranges from $100 to $200. However, creating a simple token on Ethereum has some drawbacks. First of all, your token will not have any unique or innovative features, as it will be based on a standard template. Second, your token will be subject to the volatility and scalability issues of the Ethereum network, which can affect its performance and usability. Third, your token will face a lot of competition from millions of other tokens on the Ethereum network, which can make it hard to stand out and attract users and investors. Option number 2. Create a customized token on Ethereum. The next option is to create a customized token on Ethereum using a custom smart contract and a professional developer. This option gives you more flexibility and creativity, as you can design your token to have any features and functions you want, such as governance, staking, burning, minting, or rewards. You can also create a token that serves a specific purpose or solves a specific problem, such as a utility token, a security token, or a non-fungible token. To create a customized token on Ethereum, you need to have some coding skills or hire a professional developer to help you. You need to use a programming language such as Solidity, which is widely used for creating smart contracts on Ethereum and other compatible blockchains. You also need to use a development environment such as Remix, which allows you to write, test, and deploy your smart contract on the Ethereum network. Creating a customized token on Ethereum is more difficult and expensive than creating a simple token, as it requires more time, effort, and resources. You also need to pay more fees to the Ethereum network, as your smart contract will be more complex and consume more gas. Gas is the unit of measure for the computational work done by the network. The fee depends on the complexity and the quality of your code, but it usually ranges from $1,000 to $10,000. Additionally, creating a customized token on Ethereum involves more risks and challenges. You need to make sure that your smart contract is bug-free and safe from hackers, as any mistake or vulnerability can result in the loss or theft of your funds. You also need to comply with the rules and standards of the Ethereum network, which may limit your options and possibilities. Option number 3. Create a coin with your own blockchain. The third option is to create a coin with your own blockchain. using a fork of an existing coin or a blockchain framework. This option gives you the most control and independence, as you can create your own cryptocurrency from scratch and customize it to your liking. You can also create your own network of nodes, miners, and validators to secure and maintain your blockchain. You can also set your own rules and parameters for your coin, such as the consensus mechanism, the block size, the block time, the reward system, or the inflation rate. To create a coin with your own blockchain, you need to have a strong technical background and a team of developers to help you. You need to either fork an existing coin, such as Bitcoin or Litecoin, and modify its code to create your own version, or use a blockchain framework, such as Hyperledger or Cosmos, and build your own blockchain from the ground up. You also need to set up your own network of nodes, miners, and validators to run and secure your blockchain. Creating a coin with your own blockchain is the most difficult and expensive option, as it requires a lot of skill, knowledge, and resources. You also need to pay for hosting, maintenance, and security services to keep your blockchain running smoothly and securely. The cost depends on the level of customization and innovation you want to achieve, but it usually ranges from $10,000 to $100,000. Moreover, creating a coin with your own blockchain has its own challenges and drawbacks. You need to have a clear vision and a unique value proposition for your coin, as you will be competing with thousands of other coins in the market. You also need to have a large and loyal user base and network effect, as your coin will only be as valuable and secure as the number of people who use and support it. Option number 4. Create a coin with your own blockchain, using a completely original code and a groundbreaking technology. The fourth and final option is to create a coin with your own blockchain, using a completely original code and a groundbreaking technology. This option is the most ambitious and visionary, as you can create your own cryptocurrency that is unlike anything else in the market. You can also create your own technology that is faster, more scalable, more secure, or more efficient than the existing ones. You can also create your own ecosystem and community that supports and benefits from your coin. To create a coin with your own blockchain, using a completely original code and a groundbreaking technology, you need to have a genius mind and a team of experts and consultants to help you. You need to write your own code and develop your own technology from scratch, without relying on any existing frameworks or platforms. You also need to test and research your code and technology extensively to ensure that it works and that it is safe and reliable. Creating a coin with your own blockchain, using a completely original code and a groundbreaking technology, is the most challenging and costly option, as it requires a lot of talent, time, and money. You also need to pay for development, research, and testing services to create and validate your coin and technology. The cost depends on the scale and the scope of your project, but it usually ranges from $100,000 to $1 million. Furthermore, creating a coin with your own blockchain, using a completely original code and a groundbreaking technology, has its own risks and uncertainties. You need to have a visionary and a revolutionary idea for your coin and technology, as you will be creating something that has never been done before. You also need to have a massive and enthusiastic following and adoption, as your coin and technology will only be successful if people use and trust them. That's it for today's video. As you can see, creating a cryptocurrency is not a simple task, and it requires a lot of planning, preparation, and resources. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our next videos.